What's up guys, Hucker15 here, and today we are back in that again with another product testing by Cold Ones. And fuck, I have no clue if any of these products are gonna are gonna work out. But they always, I don't know what they do with these products. Do they just throw them away? Do they just give them away? Or do they sell them? I don't know what they do with these products, man. I mean, they're already used, I guess, so shit, fuck. But without further ado, we're gonna be watching Cold Ones doing some product testing, and if you guys haven't, please go subscribe to their channel. Without further ado, let us react with this girl.
I actually enjoy looking at that.
That's a lot of crazy. That's a lot of crazy fucked products.
Everyone, and welcome to another video. Today
G'day.
we have gathered together a bunch of.
Oh, fuck, Max.
You alright, Max?
You alright?
Want me to get you a tissue, mate? Sorry,
Di-
at the same time, some sort of
Max.
drinking problem. More like a problem drinking.
Oh.
Looks like
Fuck.
I have a drinking problem too.
Okay.
Oh, it really seems like you guys have a drinking problem drinking.
Yes, that do be the case though, don't it, Scott?
It's a way to warn the people around us, you know, in the interest of public safety.
Yeah, with something like a sticker or a sign or a.
Hold on, I gotta change my shirt.
Oh.
Max. Shirt!
Do you have a problem drinking? Hell, even a drinking problem? Me too! Let the world know with the new limited time Cold Ones.
Oh.
Available now for 3
Of course it's a
days
fucking.
only. Then it's gone forever.
Of course it's a fucking shirt. Oh, I've missed out. Yep, I missed out on this limited time T-shirt.
Cool.com/problem.
Damn.
Hello, welcome back to an As Seen on TV
G'day.
video. Today we've got Darcy has collected a bunch of trinkets and gadgets off the TV.
Awesome,
Have you guys
Darcy.
heard of As Seen on TV?
No, what is that?
So it's like these products companies make and they sell them to you with an ad on TV.
Okay.
And sometimes they kind of suck, but sometimes they're kind of cool.
What's that? Women collect trinkets and knickknacks. Men collect gizmos and gadgets.
What gadgets and gizmos do you have for us, Darcy?
That's fucking Vince again. He's
Is that
back.
Vince?
He's in
Alright.
a straight jacket.
Yo.
Computer mouse has old technology that's not always
that
accurate.
What do you mean?
Keeps you-
Same
we've come a long
technology
way
as
since
older
we
mouse
were
uses.
And the hand cramp is a real pain.
I think we're falling into the trap of products designed for people with arthritis again.
Introducing the Pocket Mouse, the wireless mouse held like a pen with enhanced optical
What
technology
the
that lets you
fuck?
accurately work on any surface from anywhere in the room up to 30 feet away.
Anyone
it
with
sucks.
fucking arthritis in the chat have the same problems while using a mouse as using a pen? Because I don't think like this motion of using a pen is different than having your hand like this.
The secret is the pen-shaped design and wireless technology, which replicates your hand movement with incredible precision, giving you better control and more accuracy.
Please, Darcy. It feels really cheap. No way. Okay, we'll both go together.
Whoa.
All right.
Whoa! Let's fuck this fucker up.
Oh,
Oh,
collect it, collect it,
damn.
collect it.
That was you, bro.
No. All right, give me an image to draw.
Draw a cat.
Okay, this is my cat.
Okay.
Oh no, I did the mouth wrong.
You guys on MS
I
Paint?
want to give it a 3 mouth. Why is it upside down?
You can have a go. It's
Alright,
actually
let me
kind of. It's
try.
actually kind of jittery.
It's
Yeah,
fucking
it
hard
is.
to do.
It is, isn't it?
This shit sucks.
'Cause you
I'd
guys
rather
need
use
a-
trackpad.
You guys,
Oh,
yeah,
you
use a
know.
fucking
Ah!
pad.
It's cheap.
Oh my
it feels
God.
Like plastic garbage. It doesn't feel good to hold. It does not work on every surface, despite what that.
Looks
sucker
like a
says
magic
in the
wand,
ad.
dude.
Break it.
Stand back.
Oh fuck.
Wait, I think I just pulled the front.
Uh,
That's good quality.
It did not break. My turn.
I don't think it broke. Did it break?
Okay, cool. Next product.
Why is that cat so embedded in his?
What the fuck?
Okay, hold up. That's a Shane Dawson level of low.
Hey,
Dog hair, cat hair, spouse hair, mouse hair, cookie crumbs, kitty litter, birdseed or lint.
selling birdseed, oil lint, 50 GP.
Perfect for
RuneScape.
quick cleanups.
Why
and
is this
easily
obsessed with birdseed? Was that more birdseed or
Yeah, it
no?
was.
doesn't leave a sticky residues.
What was that farting sound effect?
I got some things to try out that was in the ad.
Scan to find out more.
Chad, scan that. Scan that.
Nope.
Scan that.
And you fucking scan it.
Whoa! I'm getting ads for sexy lingerie.
Mad.
This is fucking ads for nothing.
So they've gone out of business, and someone has bought the website or the domain and is just using it for advertising.
That's
Just
fucking
Oh,
smart.
What the fuck? If only we had a broom or
a vacuum.
introducing.
This. I'm gonna see if it does a straight line. You ready? He just
Oh,
did this and it all came off,
interesting.
right? It seems like everything fell off of it though. Do you see anything else left on there? Dried on a towel. Now it's getting all the lint off the towel.
Oh, yep. Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
it's sticky again. That's really sticky to start off with. Like that's sticking to the table.
It's fucking garbage.
I'm team sticky.
Picture this. You
Team
got this
sticky?
one, you roll once down your shirt. You got a bit of the lint off. You're driving.
I will reach for my strictest sticky buddy.
Where's your bucket of water?
Shit.
A.
Oh.
B. You reach for the one that has the rippable paper.
I've just finished lint rolling all the cat hair and crumbs off me from my meal.
What are you eating, bro? Cat hair and crumbs from your meal?
After eating it, I fold it back up. I put it back in my glove box. And when I get home,
No, but Chad.
after my
Chad,
big night out, am I making sense here? I wash it when I
No.
get home. It's like a
Because
condom.
What is the...
No.
What?
Hmm.
Water
What?
stuck inside
What?
of the thing.
Oh my god.
Did you see that?
Can you see that?
I'm starting to hear you out.
Get that out of my sight.
If you have kids, you have crumbs.
My favorite version of these, as seen on TV ads, the black and white shot of white people doing shit, and then they're falling over or fucking up so bad, like completely simple task, and then a big red X appears on screen. Wait a minute, it's going color.
Oh, color.
Little critters that
What?
away a mess without any stress.
What the fuck? Pause. What is happening?
I don't know, man.
It's love at first sight.
Why you go?
The thing that vacuums up.
You
dirt.
kissed
I
it.
think she just sucked shit out of the toilet and gave it a
No,
fucking-
no.
With
What the
crumbs,
fuck?
It's love at first
Ew.
sight.
Probably
Choose
40
from Lucky
now.
Ladybug,
She's gonna get sick, dude.
or Tornado Turtle.
It's a product to be advertised to kids to like make them clean up their mess but make it seem fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
I ordered it, and this is how. That's how it arrived. I think
Okay,
we got
cool.
ripped off.
Yeah, I've spilled some crumps on the.
Oh,
thing,
that's
and I'm in my
that's too many
kitchen now.
You
crumbs.
turn it on. Whoa.
I can imagine
Oh.
using this at my desk.
You gotta go slow, go. Crumby is full. No! What the fuck? Chad,
Yeah.
stand up.
I'm not my
No, don't do it.
There you go, little fella.
What the fuck, dude?
Still
Oh.
on.
He's back to a day on the grind, bro. Does he receive the sledgehammer or no?
No. He lives.
Oh, dude.
Feel the
Fuck.
My left leg. I have sciatica.
Introducing CopperFit with Pain Protect, leading pain
Eating
prevention
copper.
technology designed to help prevent muscle pain.
This is a pretty.
Don't you
normal
want
thing. This
muscle
isn't an
pain,
icing
though?
on TV thing. This is just.
It is, Chad. It's on TV. We're seeing it.
So will it cure my pain?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, damn, dude.
What is that?
Do you have any pain in your elbows?
Yeah, from using a mouse all day.
Why is your sock so dirty?
No, Chad, you're
What is
causing
this meant to do? I don't
Leave
think
on,
it prevents
I'll see if it
muscle
keeps my back
pain.
nice and straight.
How do you open tough jar lids?
You have muscle
Try
pain,
this
just,
one
I don't know, rest,
or this
recover.
one? Shouldn't there be a robot for this by now? There is. Introducing Robo Twist, the robotic jar opener that easily
Come
twists off.
on, bro. Have you heard of a butter knife?
The
Yeah,
Robo
man,
Twist
use the
has
butter
Oh
knife.
my
Use a
God,
spoon
the amount of
even.
time it
powerful
takes to like go
twisting action unscrews
assessing
the
jar.
lid.
Who the fuck can't open a pin? Okay, no, this is arthritis shit again.
Robo Twist is
Arthritis.
Yes,
for seniors
arthritis.
and arthritis sufferers.
Yes, arthritis.
Where my
Why am I making fun
Wait,
of
where's
people
the
with
camera
arthritis?
besides those ones?
Robo Twist has the muscle you need,
Yeah!
and there's no job it can't.
I'm going to kill an elderly woman.
Died 2
Don't
days
do
ago,
it!
something like that. It was like a week and a half ago, actually. Yeah. I'm missing the funeral.
That fat jar of gravy. Not
Jar of gravy, what the fuck?
Chad's grandma is dead.
How about that sticky jar of jam?
Hold up, Chad. Your grandma is actually dead or no?
Yeah, she is.
Oh, okay.
So don't blow a gasket trying to
Awkward.
open tough jar lids.
Oh, yes! Let's fucking go! Now we just need the black and white. We need the monochrome screen. But yeah, there's the X. You know what it looks
There
like?
we go.
Half-Life head crab.
Alright, give me
Hello,
You
Half-Life
picture
head crab.
seeing this
Just
in your
open up the
grandma's
fucking
house and
lid.
thinking like that whole device is used for opening a jar.
You know what kind of reminds me of, actually? It looks like someone who's on house arrest. Look, I'm on house arrest!
I got cucumbers, baby.
Oh, it doesn't fit this jar.
It's
Aww.
gonna fit. It's opening it! Alright, just
Stop. It'll fit on this. It closes the top first.
And then
Okay.
it pulls up.
Oh, that's
Okay,
cool.
Hold on.
That
Wait a
was-
minute. Hold on. I retract everything that I just said. I actually enjoy looking at that.
You want
It's
some?
cool, that's
Is that fucking
satisfying.
Red paste.
It tastes good. Try some.
Don't do it. Oh my god, god damn it, Max! God damn it! What?
Does that
I knew it. I knew it.
Put this
I knew
trash
it.
bag on me. If I was to ever open a jar, let's just say this one, bust a hole in the top. I go like this. I go from the corner. I go.
Yep.
Whoa.
Awesome.
That's almost as close as just smashing the entire top off on the side of a curb. I would put
Yeah.
a butter knife under that and just go, tss, and it goes,
Yeah.
tss, and then
That
pops
seems
off.
like a way to like break glass.
You just fucking like put this down and was like, hey, let me show you how to.
Oh god. Oh, you. Oh.
What can I say? Forget about it.
Oh my
Why did you
god.
tell me pasta sauce
You
first?
guys made a mess.
When
The
you need
mic's
to
a mess.
avoid
Your mic is a
something
mess,
like
Max.
It's not done.
What the fuck is happening?
Why is there pasta on me?
Hey!
Oh,
Awesome.
You just necked the whole thing?
Yeah,
I'm
he
not
did.
doing it for the camera.
You guys are
I'm
getting
doing it
sick.
so
You guys are gonna
Chad,
puke.
you're up.
I'm not doing the whole
Oh, I
thing.
can't. I can't. I can't stop looking at you guys now.
I'll do a
Chad,
mouthful.
Chad, Chad.
Alright, that's good. That's enough.
Yeah, boy. Hey, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we
Oh
go.
god.
Is it hot? It's just the.
Whoa!
Oh.
It is hot.
I love beetroot too. Well, that shit out of the can is so good.
I love beetroot also.
Oh, for fuck!
My new product called
King Howley's back.
Invincible's like your cleaner, laundry, and stain remover all combined into this. Just add the Invincible tablet to water to replace your kitchen.
Did he come up with this product to clean the blood out of his fucking clothes after beating a hooker?
We got our sponge, we got our mess.
Relax. I've done dirtier things than this.
Oh!
Reaching into an anus?
Why spend all this money when all you need is just one bottle?
It's so big.
Oh,
that the
for
hooker?
God's sake.
Nice.
That's the blood from his mouth.
You can use Invincible to clean almost anything. Period.
Wait
Let's
a
do
minute.
this in one take. You know how messy you guys are. Think about all the shirts you're gonna save
No
on this.
way.
Stop being a slob.
All right? A perfectly white shirt.
Is this gonna work?
Oh, yo.
Alright.
Oh,
Hey, you following
don't-
me, camera?
don't
It's
puke.
mixed in. Alright,
Don't you
Max,
fucking
ready?
do it, Max.
Off-
You puke.
put
Oh,
it
what the?
upside down.
No, I'm kidding.
Spray it
I'm kidding.
upside
I'm
down.
kidding,
Okay,
Max. Sorry, I
okay,
won't kill you,
okay,
dude.
I'm buying. I'm
But
buying.
damn.
I'm buying.
Most of it's going into my skin. Is that healthy or?
I'm putting beetroot on this nice white camera.
1, 2, 3.
He just kind of did this with his hands.
There's no fucking way he went like, yeah.
He
what?
did. He did.
He did. He did.
My skin.
Oh.
Chad, I think I've had enough. Should
No,
we
no, no.
clean
Keep
up?
going.
Both my nipples are so sensitive.
Next.
Get the ShamWow mask made in Germany and the USA.
They really collabed on a mask.
Yeah, I think the Germans made the string and USA made the
Yo,
fabric.
that actually worked.
are infused with real zinc to help fight and stop bacteria and other microbes.
Who the fuck says, yeah, man, my mask is infused with zinc? I don't trust him. Also, he's aging rapidly now. And
You
Yeah.
get it all. Comfort, zinc, reusability, and the best.
you get it all.
You
Comfort,
get it all, mate.
zinc.
Those other masks you see on TV are made in China. Too, but come on.
What the fuck does that mean? Okay, hold on. No, that's okay. That is okay. Okay, shoot me. That is funny. What the fuck is happening?
I love Chinese people too, but come on. Quality wise?
Wow.
Come
Wow.
on, man. I love Chinese people too, but
I love
But-
Chinese people too, but come on.
That's too funny.
And you save the environment. Forget the environment. Save yourself.
forget
Get
the
your
environment.
ShamWow mask with zinc for only $29.90.
With
With zinc.
Why is zinc the selling point? Get rid of this laptop and give us the mask.
Yeah, this looks like I don't know, something about the font almost looks like a Comic Sans font on the
Yeah.
thing that's like just slabbed on the front. Is it the actual ShamWow outer?
I thought we were
like,
using
is it the
cleaning
same
products,
thing
not-
as the
I
ShamWow?
think
Okay.
it's ShamWow on the outside.
Absorbent and instant. You could use the ShamWow zinc mask.
Okay, it's
Okay.
okay.
That's just the ShamWow with
It's-
the 2 strings on
it's
the
pretty
side.
shit.
Guess which knee hurts the most right now?
That one.
This one. I'm taking this off. Theos are cutting off my blood pressure.
Oh, yeah.
Depends on surveillance to prevent crime, catch criminals, and save lives. I'm Officer Scott Savitt, and this is Cop Cam.
When was this made, and is this
What the
appropriate now,
fuck?
or-
Have we been trying to get these on?
Is this
Cops
2008,
after they brutally
2007,
beat China?
2009?
A security camera smaller than 1 square inch, so you can hide it anywhere to record anything, anytime motion.
Okay, that's going in the children's
Wow.
toilet.
Why did you say a children's toilet, not the toilet?
Because I'm just thinking of the worst thing that someone who would be buying this for nefarious
Oh, okay. I thought you. Don't worry.
Definition, and includes a powerful microphone to record perfect audio.
They just fell asleep.
Why is it in a child's bedroom?
What the fuck? Yeah.
Top cam looper cords, so you can leave it out 24/7 to catch them red-handed. Now you can send package thieves packing to prison.
I've literally used that off Google before. Those exact bars in a video.
6 built-in infrared LEDs, so when the sun goes down, you still have perfect HD recording of.
I refuse to believe for $40 we can get anything better than fucking 2 pixels.
I feel like I could almost swallow this.
We hold it down to turn it on? Oh, it's on. It's recording.
I like Chinese people, but
Remember,
It's actually not too bad.
Patreon is only $5 a month. We're about to do a little experiment. This is going somewhere where the infrared's going to be used.
Hello, Instagram Live. I've just gone live. Got a treat for you today. Hold that. Fuck, sucker over. Alright, there you go. Hey!
What the fuck?
You guys just took a POV up Chad's asshole. How do you feel?
Oh!
Gross. Made up of dead skin.
I don't know. Oh god.
Dust mites.
Black and white. Yes, yes. White person failing to do easy tasks.
White person
Where's
is.
the red cross? Where's the red cross? No, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Lightweight, portable spinning duster.
Oh, looks like a bubble. Why does it look wrong?
Little tiny places I can get to.
Chad.
No.
Oh, come on, man.
It's so much.
Darcy, bring me the duster. Number 1 bestseller.
Please don't put it in his
Yeah,
ass.
what the fuck is
Please
that? Blinds,
don't.
furniture, electronics.
Oh, oh, it's sending dust everywhere.
Chad,
Yes.
look at this. Look at the little guy on there.
Oh, little guy.
and a regular feather duster to compare, right?
Where's the fucking dust?
Let's do flour.
Okay, flour. We're putting flour. This is dust. This is makeshift dust. All right, now shake that bitch up.
Can I do mine first?
Yeah, okay.
It was meant to fit in vases.
There you go. There you go. I'm gonna use
There you go.
classic feather duster. All you need to do with this one, you shove it in. It covers a lot of surface area. Turn it upside down, and then you just do a bit of this.
It doesn't fit in shit properly. It just.
Oh. Oh, good job.
Next product.
No,
Oh no,
Chad. What the fuck?
Next
Chad.
I think the only good product we've reviewed today is fucking Crumbie.
Are you embarrassed about your broken, crooked, and missing teeth? Introducing Perfect Smile, the amazing removable, reusable veneer that instantly gives you the look of perfect teeth you'll be proud to smile about. Perfect Smile is a must for job interviews.
I don't know.
Do it on dates when you need to look great.
What do you think if you went on a date with a woman, which you later found out had as seen on TV teeth?
Find it very attractive.
Simply put it in hot water, press it on your top layer of teeth, and it custom conforms right over your
Oh,
teeth.
okay, okay. Let's see the product.
Cool.
All right, Darcy, we're ready.
This is horrific. This feels like a parody product.
www.instantsmileteeth.com.
I love this website. It looks so good. Look at this website.
Oh, the
Is it
website
really
actually looks
small?
decent.
Fuck, we got size small.
Oh my god, we did get size small.
This pair of
Fuck.
teeth we just had in hot water.
Push it up against your teeth as hard as you can to make it, and hold it for 30 seconds.
Okay, hold up. I got it. I don't want
Oh god, it's not gonna look good. Oh, dude.
An overbite.
I'm scared.
No, picture
I'm-
this.
I'm
I'm in a
scared.
job interview. Ask me a question.
Is your dad and your mum related?
I feel like I got some dip in my lip.
I want to go.
Oh, fuck, man.
Yo.
Mama.
Yeah,
I'm
something's
scared.
fucked up, man. It's
No,
uncanny
shut your
valley,
mouths. Don't.
I feel
Oh,
like that company started as a joke and was like, oh yeah, we want to get into the as seen on TV market. This
I'm
is
too
something that we
scared.
never
Fuck
passed. And then
that.
It's like, oh cool, 15 years later, we still have a business.
All right, black and white.
We need a white person failing to do a common task around the house, and it needs to
Okay.
be grayscale, and a big red X needs to appear.
yes.
They make instant repairs on the job site. They use a welding tool to fix it right. But you wouldn't try that on a pair of reading glasses at home
Well,
unless you had
duh.
Damn it!
Fix.
It always cuts to the fucking full color.
5-second fix is not a glue, but a super-powered liquid plastic welding compound.
Whoa!
It's perfect for crafters or hobbyists for a permanent repair on the ground or in the air.
The sound effect is kind of selling me.
We pulled this 4,000-pound truck out of danger.
Fuck
Now,
off.
Fuck off.
5-second fix.
Should we start with a pair of glasses?
A little bit of glue. It just smells like super glue.
Picture this. You're reading late at night. You accidentally fall down the stairs. The glue goes on. Sorry, not the glue. The patented gel technology. It goes on. UV technology. 5 seconds. That's all you need. And then, just like new, it sucks.
Yep.
Okay.
Fly towards me. Not my beer, man.
It broke.
Right, now I'm really UVing. Can you see me UVing? Does it look like I'm UVing?
Yeah, you're UVing it.
Okay, it's kind of sticky.
Wait a minute.
No, never mind.
That wouldn't pull a car, I'll tell you that much.
Fabric, you don't want. She used to have to put chalk marks on this thing.
exactly.
Well, forget about it. Engage the
Forget
laser. and you get
about
a
it.
straight-
Forget about it.
Is this with like a fucking laser pointer on it?
And this is sharp. This is a great idea. It's going to do a straight line every single time.
Dude, that's kind of cool.
Fabric,
That's
yeah?
a gadget.
Yeah.
The laser is no longer straight.
The thing that's projecting the straight line is moving with the thing that's
Yeah.
cutting the straight line. But, I don't know, maybe you've got a visual long enough that you can see it and go, oh yeah.
This packaging looks the worst out of anything we've
Yep.
had tonight.
Do you feel like the laser's going everywhere, or does it actually work?
To be honest with you, see how the end, I kind of just line up the end so it's up against that little thing again, but I'm using the end as a guideline to make sure I'm cutting towards the end. Does that make sense?
It does work in a way.
I think that...
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And we're back. I have no idea why that happened, but we are here now.
Works. It projects really far out.
Alright, let's see if we can get the squarest piece. You ready?
What the fuck constitutes a square piece? I don't really give a fuck.
It is not razor either. Like, razor implies that you can just run it across the fabric and it just cuts through it.
He kind of was doing that
Yeah, I
in
know.
the thing, too. Next!
There's a new way to inflate tires. Sporting equipment.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Yo, can you inflate my ass with that?
That pulls in the outside air and then compresses it into the tire.
I'm a
Fuck.
keep it real with you, Chief. I do not give a single fuck.
Because it's easier, faster, and far more efficient.
Okay, I've seen enough. There you go.
Airhawk! Chad will now demonstrate just how great this product can be.
I mean, it looks
Premium.
convincing.
I just don't have faith that...
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that feels nice. Right, what is this? Tire. There we go, mate. Easy does it, mate. Easy does it, mate.
Oh, fuck. Chad. No.
This is a bike tire for a fucking bike from the 50s? Why is it getting so big?
No. Oh.
Woo! I went all the way from
Okay, this product is cool.
Bike, man. Pump up your bike tire, mate. Ah!
What's up, bro?
This product is cool.
My ears are ringing.
Your eardrums may be ruptured.
Alright, 10 out of 10. Product is good.
Product.
Have you ever
Arthritis.
experienced
Ow!
a
Person with white hair
situation where
falling.
you sit or stand every day for long periods of time?
Oh, hell no.
Then you need the new patented Legexercise Pro.
What the
natural
fuck?
circulation booster that uses continuous automatic leg movement.
Leg. Leg.
Plug it in, place your feet, select your speed, and just sit back and relax.
Great now.
Why does that seem like
Old
fake?
people are funny.
This is gonna be a real treat. Oh, he going X Games mode. Look at the motion.
Look at him. Look at him go.
Look at this. I don't know how we can make this look cool, but
That was the highest speed. This is the lowest.
Ow. Ow. As advertised, the feet are moving back and forth.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Also, remember to check out the limited time merch available for a very limited time. Drinking problem.
I feel like they
shirt.
should have just left that
I don't
product
have a
out.
problem
I
with
feel like they should have
time.
just ended it with the whole
Yeah!
Really seems like you
the
guys
tire
have a
thingy
drinking
gadget.
problem drinking.
What? That certainly does seem to be the case, doesn't it? Yeah, that does certainly be gay.
That-
The be
that
gay.
does be case though, don't it? Yes, that do be case though. That do be the case though, don't it? We'll use that. Okay, pending me in 3.
Oh god, the bloopers. Jesus, man. Which product did you guys like the most? I think I really like the air gadget one. You know, I like that one. You know, give me those. Give me that one, so I can inflate my own ass with it. Fuck it, why not? That's something I'd probably do. But anyways, that was Cold Ones testing out cleaning products. Fuck's sake, Max. God damn, you're disgusting. But we all love you for it, my guy. Anyways, without further ado, that's all. Hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Peace.